Originally from LeClaire, Iowa, now lives in Central Florida. They're not evacuating because of Hurricane Dorian. They plan to ride out the storm and hope not to take a direct hit. The two of them say they have what they need to make it through at home. Local 4's Josh Vincent joins live with the newsroom with their story. Josh?
Jim, as Hurricane Dorian slowly but surely makes its way towards the southeastern United States, people are going to the stores, buying what they need to prepare for the unknown. The plumbers tell me that they are thankful businesses in their community of Deltona are not taking advantage of people in a time of need.
It is, because you've just got to be aware that between the 1st of June through the end of November, that's peak season for hurricanes. So the best thing to do is, prepare ahead of time.
Now it's worth mentioning Florida's Attorney General has received more than 2,400 reports of price gouging. Consumers in the parts of the state say that cases of water have been selling for more than $9. That's double than what it regularly costs, while some gas stations hiked up fuel prices as well. People are urged to report these types of things to the AG's office. Reporting in the newsroom, Josh Vincent, Local 4 News. Jim?
Josh, thank you.